So this little guy, he's been climbing the stairs for a little while now. He can go all the way up. And I caught him coming up the stairs and he laughed at me. Little stinker. Okay. He's gonna get, this is his target, I believe. You gonna go get Jezebel? Yep. Be nice. Be nice to the kitty, Conrad. Jezebel's not always nice. Jezebel's not always gonna be nice. No, you have to leave her paws alone. Leave her paws alone. No, no. You have to leave her paws alone, Conrad. There we go. There we go. Careful. No, stop pulling on her. Stop pulling on her. Oh, okay. What are you doing, Conrad? What are you doing? You gotta be, Conrad, she's got that look in her eye. You gotta be nice to her. Be nice to her. Okay. Okay.